Since the Renaissance days in 1970, the Ministry of Health and the health sectors in Oman and health system in Oman has witnessed a lot of development in terms of services, in terms of human resources, and also in terms of the quality of the health services in Oman.
In the early 80s, we had only few Omani doctors. But now, since the emergence of Oman Medical Specialty Board, we've been training doctors here locally, and they are available all through the country.
I think in Oman, the primary health service is considered to be one of the best in the world.
In the health sector, the government has been always supportive. As you know, in Oman, the health is free, so is the education. And the government have helped a lot in building the infrastructure that later on helped the private sector as well to build on whatever the government have put in as an infrastructure.
There are different investment opportunities in the health sector here in Oman. These opportunities are within the rehabilitative sector. The rehabilitative sector, I mean that the ones that cater for stroke cases, RTA, road traffic accidents, and other neurological diseases, as well as for kids and adults, and centers that cater for early intervention, such as autism and Down syndrome, and all of the disorders that fall into that.
Unlike the other GCC countries, Middle East countries, the private health sector in Oman is still nascent. There is a lot more we can do here, and we are here to help them. And I can proudly say that establishing a private health establishment takes a few minutes. If things are done properly, everything is there.
But healthcare is vast, it's everything. But the medical field is huge, and as we know abroad, now it's a very big subject, talking about the medical care. Medical care could even be health retreats.
It goes without saying that healthy nation is a productive nation. So having a healthy, happy kid, it's a healthy, happy future later on.
We are encouraging all the private health establishments to have international accreditation like JCI, Canadian or other, and international recognition, so that quality of care and patient safety is very well established and very well set.
Oman is one of those countries that has amazing views, amazing kind of places where you just go and you just feel relaxed. And I think this should be a new investment that people should do, for people to just come and unwind and get treatment.
Now is the right time to have the first comer's advantage. There are certain areas in Oman where there is not much private health establishment. We encourage that by reducing fees there. So you will have a lot more opportunity in establishing an area where there's not much competition. So there's always an advantage to come here.
For the investors, when they come around, I think they will really fall in love in Oman, and they will never leave Oman, for sure that.